Hello everyone, welcome back to my devlog series. In the last video, I made a tile map for the player to actually have something to walk on other than the Godot's gray background. And today we're going to make the player be able to dig tiles so he can place crops on. So I'm not going to implement the how to place the crops, but we're going to make the like digging, because that's all I know so far until I figure out how to do the other one. I think I just might reuse the script. So let's get on with the video. So where I left off, we have this. So I made a couple changes, like I made the hitbox not visible in the editor. It will be visible in the game once it runs. So if we just place a static object, then I'm going to put a collision shape on it. No, don't favorite that. Then I'm going to give it a rectangle shape. To move it. Right there. Then here's the collision shape. So we run the game. Wait, it's really hard to find. It's invisible. So I'm gonna physics material. No. Visibility. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in front of the player. So I'm gonna change up a few things. See, I can walk into it with the hitbox invisible in the editor. So I'm gonna change up a few things in the main player script. Like I'm gonna change the movement, because this is not, it's way too long. So I'm gonna shorten it out by putting velocity equals input, not get vector. So we need to open our input map. So I am making this sound like a tutorial. How am I making this sound like a tutorial? It's not. I'm just gonna add the actions now. So and then left mouse button. That's what LMP means. So left, right, up, down, and mouse button. Oh no, I pressed insert. What did I do? Okay, that should be everything. Left, right, up, down. And then I'm gonna put move and slide. So as you can see, we can move just fine, and the player's script movement is shorter. So So then with the animation, I'm going to put it in its own function. So we're going to take all this and create its own function. Animate. So we go write the function. And then we just put everything in here. And then as you can see, we still animate. I think we should put the flipping in there also. So yeah, the player flipping now is in here. And then I'm going to change these is key pressed to get action strength. And then this is key A, so we need to put left. And then we do the same thing for the other one. No, we don't need that. We still flip. This is good. Because I did this in another project and it's helpful. So now we're gonna make the player animations for digging, because that's what this video is gonna be. Fixing stuff and adding digging. So I'm gonna name this dig. So if you guys want to use this asset pack in your own games, the animations for the player, all of them are 15 frames per second, right here. So if you're going to use Godot, change this FPS to 15 for the animations. Because look, as you can see with the body animation, seamless. So then, to characters. So dig. So this is does it have that many? It has 13 frames. So I'm just gonna put all 13 there. So in the hair, 15 frames. Dig. And then, which one did I choose? Mop hair. Yeah, it's this one. Because in my other one I put bowl hair instead, because I like it better. I chose mop hair for this one. So yeah, then the hair moves now. And now we just need the shovel. So 15 frames. Dig. And then shovel frames. Right there. Looks so weird doing that. Just the tool animating. So then I'm gonna go back to the script to add this. So in order to do this, like in my other project, I'm gonna put an elif in here. So input get action strength. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to change the thing with the is key pressed and everything. It's a really long line. So left mouse button. So we just get our animation player variables here and just rename all these to dig. is this? Why is there a square? Alright, I don't think we'll need this speed variable anymore. Yeah. So, okay, this is still walk. Need that to be dig. So now if we hold down the left mouse button, we start digging. So now we need to change the actual tile it's in front of. So we need to go to our game scene and attach a script. Game scene. I'm gonna call it world. So we don't need the ready function. We don't even need any of these functions. So we need to put on ready variable tile map equal to the map. And then the layer is going to equal to 5 because that's the layer where the farmland tiles are going to be placed. So we need to write the input function. So if input dot get action strength left mouse button so yeah, so we need to set the player position. No, wait, why did I write position? So player position vector 2i tile map. Nope. We need to get a global script, so I'm going to create a new script. I'm going to name this the global. Right there. So basically we just have to add the player position variable. Yeah, there we go. So then if we go to our project settings, think plugin, import defaults, globals. Okay, yeah, globals. So we need to add our global script there. So now if we go to our world, I can just put global dot player pause. So then in our player script, we have to actually put our player position. So global dot player position is equal to get, no, not get, global position. There we go. So we can go back to our world. And then variable tile player position vector to I equal to tile map local to map player position. So now we need to add a new variable, player flip. So this is where we're going to get our player, whether he's facing to the left or to the right. So in here, I'm going to put global.playerFlip equal to 1. And then we're going to do the same on the other one. Equal to 0. So we go back. If global player flip is equal to 0, and tile position. I forgot to declare the tile position. Variable tile position equal to tile map dot get neighbor cell tile player position and tile set cell neighbor right side. So we got to start on the right because that's the initial player's flip. It's facing the right initially. So we check. So I'm just going to copy all this and paste it here. So if the flip is 0, he's facing the right. So then, if that's not true, we check if his player flip is 1. So he's facing the left. So we have to get left side. So then our variable source ID is going to be equal to 0, not 9, no, 0. Make this an integer. And then our atlas coordinate is going to be vector 2i equal to vector 2i. And then we have to put our coordinates of where the tile is. So if we go to our tile map, we have to find this tile right here. So this is 5017. That's the atlas coordinate, 5017. So 50, 17. So then in our tile map, we set the cell layer, which is 5, and then our tile position, then our source ID, which is our tile map resource, our atlas coordinate, and then our alternative tile, 0. So then if we run the game, yeah, so if we run, and it's not being placed down. I think I did something wrong. Wait, hold on. If I go to here, anything being, nope. Same problem I had when I was making my other project. What could be wrong? So, yeah, everything is correct. I don't know what happened to it. Why isn't it placing it down? This is layer 0, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5. Yeah, farmland is layer 5. Well, why isn't it being placed down? Yeah. It's the alternative tile. I'm gonna remove it. When we run, the game just crashed. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. Let me check this. So, I have no idea what happened to it. Let me check this. So we have input event. Is it all this that's wrong? Because this is what I had. So the player flip. Source ID. Yeah, it seems to be all correct. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Position. Yeah, so look, I have the one that I made the other day. So here's the one that I made. See how I can just place the tile in front of it? And then like right here. So look, here's the thing. I can just dig water. It's a problem with the other one that I have. So the script seems correct, but it's not doing it correctly. So maybe I have to. I think it's because of this. Can I just set it like that? No. What is wrong? Maybe if I set the layer to 2. Nope, still doesn't work. If I set it to full screen. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna make it print every frame our position. Tile position. So I'm gonna make the tile position variable on ready so that this works. Get neighbor cell. null. It says it's null. It's equal to tile layer position. Alright, so now I'm going to put this in the function now. I think that was the problem because it's null. Null means the absence of value. So that's probably why. Yeah, we just put it here. So now I can just delete this entire thing. Okay, this should work now. It still doesn't work. Put get neighbor cell. No. Tile map. No. Get neighbor cell. Coordinates is the tile player position. Tile set. Cell neighbor. No. Cell neighbor. The right. I'm gonna set to the left. Because I have no idea what is happening. Yeah, I have no idea. Why is this? Oh, it looks like we've run out of time. So I hope you liked this video. I'm gonna go find out why this doesn't work. So if you are enjoying this series right now, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, see ya.